it was pretty cool.
All right, what's up, guys? Cliff and Keegan here with Import Face Off. Plus, we have our lovely IFO models. We're here at NOLA Motorsports Park in Avondale, Louisiana, and this is the IFO two-step / rev battle. Now, it's very simple. Competition is judged on crowd applause. Winner stays, loser goes until we have one final winner at about the 30-minute mark. Louisiana, you guys ready?
Yeah!
All right, Keegan, I'm gonna let you get this started. Ladies, you want to go up there. It gets really long.
Yeah, you can stay right there and be our first casualties of war. All right, for those of you that look 420 friendly, and I've already forgotten what Cliff Wallace said, this is up to you. You are the judge. This is crowd judging me. Yes, of course you. I got out of bed this morning to see you. We're gonna do this. Blue V-Dub. 3, 2, 1. You ready for that? What? He saw, I like the confidence. All right, V-Dub wagon. 3, 2, 1, go. It's an election year, it is time to cast your vote. I'm going to start with the blue V-Dub. Let me hear it for the hatch. Yes, I see you up there. Don't be scared. I want to hear you guys too. Let me hear it for the wagon. I know where all 3 of your friends are standing in the crowd. Hey, I appreciate you pulling up. I mean that. Thank you, gentlemen. We're going to have the V-Dub step away. We're going to have the Mercedes pull up.
Poor Joey.
The Mercedes Benz.
Oh.
Wearing the McLaren shirt. Love it. Snoop Dogg once famously said he loves Mercedes for the simple fact that every single E is pronounced different along the way. All right. It says custom tuning on the back. I like it. I like it. Female-driven Mercedes. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, girl, how many more than that? How many more than that, girl? Come on. Come on. Just had to get warmed up.
Here we go. Oh,
now, no matter which way this goes, I wasn't expecting that from the Benz. I'm putting that out there. Putting that out there. All right, the V-Dub hatch from Nameless. You guys ready? Go!
Yeah, I caught the flame too.
Round 2. Let me hear it for the Mercedes.
Oh, my ears starting ringing again.
Don't worry, I'm safe. Thank you, sir.
Oh my God.
V-Dub! Oh, I'm gonna ask one more time. Don't be scared, don't be shy. Not you. Let me hear for the Mercedes! Do you know what pulled you over, ma'am? Okay. V-Dub hatch! Okay, this thing sounds good, but he got you. He got you. I'm gonna have you pull forward. Thank you, Mercedes-Benz. All right, Volkswagen, that is 2 rounds. We're going into the 3rd. If we get to the 5th round, things get cool. The Nissan Z car right there, sir. Welcome, welcome. You got the hentai shirt, as every classy man does. C-Car with the VQ. 3, 2, 1, go! Felt it warming up, wanting to get there. I gotta let him idle? I don't have to let him do a damn thing. I love what my job is. It has no rules. They can't touch the models though. So. All right.
Oh God.
That was the Nissan. You know how to do this, right? Go wild. Let's get straight to it. Let me hear it for the Nissan. Thank you for pulling up, dog. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. All right, Volkswagen, that is 3 rounds. That is trace rounds. Prelude, we got all wrapped up. Are we good?
Oh boy.
Come and see me. What the hell? All right, come on, come on. Prelude with the squirrel.
Top on that thing.
All right, let me just pretend to know what I'm doing. Yep, looks good. All right.
Oh my God.
All right, just so you guys know, there's no hood. It looks like it's protected, but in case things were to go kablooey, yeah, do the no explode switch. All right. Prelude. 3, 2, 1, go. Did you just throw your voice? That was my Honda here to my left. Volkswagen, round 4. It's getting almost to round 5. Oh, can you feel the tension? All right, V-dub, 3, 2, 1. Has grown men backing away for their own safety. I like it.
I am grown.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me hear it for the Honda. My Honda people, what's up? What about V-Dub? Dog, thank you for pulling up. I appreciate you.
God.
I'm gonna have you pull forward. Now. You're gonna have to pardon me. I'm a near LSU alum, which means I don't count too good. So,
Something tells me.
how many rounds has the V-Dub gone?
I think you might be right.
So this is round 5. This is round 5. Here's a cool little caveat to our game we play. The first car that takes out 5, that goes on the kill streak, is automatically in the finals. Which means, if the V-Dub takes out the Chevy, doesn't matter what happens next. If you get DQ'd, if you want to take a break, automatically in the finals. If you take out the Silverado. I want you to shock the world. You ready? Silverado! So check this out, check this out. If you do nothing different than you've been doing, that's yours. Vito, go! I'm gonna get right to it for the 5-kill trophy. Let me hear it for the Volkswagen. And the idea of good sportsmanship, just in case. Chevy! I tried, Don. I tried. I appreciate you pulling up. If you wouldn't mind, hand that to that gentleman right there in the driver's seat.
That's it!
No matter what in the finals, you want to take a break? You got a capybara on your hat? I like that. Cool. He's going to stick in for a round.
God damn. Oh, God.
I remember you.
Shit. Oh, God. Oh, man. I think they beat him last time. The redo.
For those who are not familiar with the Waco engine of the Rotary, I would like to shock your mind. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, no.
I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can.
Oh, no.
Oh no, after I gave that amazing setup. Oh no. Hey, do you want to pull it? You want to pull it back around? Okay, I want to be fair. I know that was not a true pull on this car. Pull it back around. Don't take too long. We'll put a dramatic pause on the Mazda for now. This is also the one downside of rotary entries.
I get to save myself from the heat of that exhaust. Heard that. I felt like a damn air fryer.
Does he want to go or does he want to pull around? You want to go? Oh, I like it! Whenever you're ready.
Getting there.
Volkswagen with the family-friendly front plate. Team Nameless. Oh, I swear when you pull it up, I'm like, what death metal band is that?
There we go.
Is that Debut Portion? Oh, it's Nameless. Yes. All right. So this, apparently this car has a nickname. It's right there on the side. Not gonna say it. In case my grandma's watching. All right, Paddy Wagon. 3, 2, 1. All right. Get tight. And yeah, man. So you remember what the Mazda sounds like. I'm gonna go this one round without having to fully crank up. Not sure what's going on, but in the interest of time. B-Dub! It was a, yeah, okay. Mazda! Alright, I can tell you brought your people with you, I respect that. V-Dub, you lost to a car that didn't even crank up this round, but I appreciate you coming up, coming through.
AGS 400.
Alright, now that is going to have to be the last round that I can let it go without cranking in the interest of fairness. The drift car. The drift car won. Oh, they got you good. This thing sounds good, I want you to know that. Alright, bring forth the next contestant. Oh, wait. This is the finals. Oh, this is the finals.
Chase is back.
Oh shit.
Wow, what an interesting conundrum we find ourselves in here in the finals. Welcome.
Oh shit.
You pulled up at the right time. Have you ever been into a drift car before?
They got us on that side.
Alright, this is our final
They got us
round.
on that side.
So if you can kind of hold it back. You're standing next to that girl, you're like, I don't want to seem stupid, I don't care. I don't care. I want to hear you go freaking nuts. You guys remember my hatch, right? Yeah, took out 5. Welcome back. You ready? Beat up! 3, 2, 1, go! What is it? You a tag team over there? Well, I gotta hear the drift car. Drift car, go!
Oh yeah, that was hot. That was a little spicy.
Hey guys, what the hell? 3, 2, 1, go! It's time to cast your vote, and just so you know, once we have a winner for that big massive trophy right there, once we're all done, we're going to do something a little fun. So don't go anywhere. A little symphony of destruction. Alright, let me hear it for a drift car! All 4 of you, your votes have been tallied. V-Dub! Sir, the second trophy, the final trophy is yours. Thank you very, very much.
Let's go!
Thank you, Molly. Thank each and every one of you for coming out. We do this every event, weather permitted. This is free to enter. However, all of my contestants, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go!